Hello guys, hello everyone. I'm coming back to another video. I'm hoping this video will become for profitable and you become very excited to get this strategy. As you know, on all the previous videos I made for the strategy I was tested before and then it's proven is profitable. All my strategies released on my channel. It's approximately winning rate of 80% to 95%. I don't want to lie to you. I say it's 100% because no strategy is have 100%. Okay, before starting the on the strategy, and then I start to show you how to set all the settings, because today I'm talking about the three indicators will combining together to make this strategy. This strategy I make for you to be easy, everyone to be accessed, because I using on the free version of TradingView is going to allow you to put the only three indicators to form the strategy. So this strategy is working on cryptocurrency and forex and stock and index. I was checking all that site, and then even this indicator I will be show you how it's work, how it's perform. So for our trading platform, I recommend to you to trade all the strategy using the exchange Bybit exchange. The referral link will get from on my description below to register or on free account and deposit the minimum of $20. You get the free bonus to go short or go long to derivative. That is a free money. You're supposed to activate your account and trade that money. You start to make profit. I'm leaving the on my description every information. Even if you can't be you don't know how to deposit on Bybit, I can leave the Binance the referral link to can able to buy your SDT and send on the Bybit using your credit card. Let's start the job. Let's start the work. Okay, let's to undo everything, and then I'll put it together. I will explain one by one the meaning or why I use it for that strategy. Follow me. Please don't forget subscribe on this channel to make the channel is growing, make the YouTube algorithm to uh, uh, are visible to another people I never see on my channel. Please support my channel, and as you if you busy follow all my strategy, please subscribe button and like my video. Let's start the work. Okay, let's undo everything, all my indicator to make the video not become so long. I'm already putting everything on my favorite. Go to the indicator tab. Let's hide this thing because I'm using free version as I told you. So let's go to indicator tab. All my indicator I needed I'm listed here because I'm putting on favorite. Let's type with you to choose this indicator nicely. You choose this indicator, twin range filter. You choose this one. You choose this one. This indicator, let's change some setting to become more profitable, reducing the noise to make you profitable. Uh, put it put it 10 here. Only changing fast range and leave everything as it is. You see, we've got a few signal, but the accurate signal, it's more profitable signal. As you see, if I'm back testing, you see all the trade you made, you become for profitable. So let's put another indicator. Why I'm putting three indicator? Those three indicator is help me to filter a fake signal. Let's put this signal is calling signal of the time. If that's right, like this signal, you change, you choose that one and making this guy. So this in this indicator, I don't want to change anything here. I don't want to change anything here. So you following this this cloud, this wave. So if you get the short signal and you suppose the wave is the below in this line, you're supposed to make this line to not wasting the time, but you're supposed to make this line to become thicker, to more easy visible to you. But to save the time to make the video shortly, you going according this line. If the wave is below this line and then you get the short signal, immediate you take a trade. So but it's not enough to use this confirmation only. You're supposed to add another indicator. That indicator is number 3. That is popular indicator is moving average. So let's set our moving average. It's going according to our strategy. So you go to the chart on the EMA in the long, you put 25. On the method, you put EMA. On the length, you put 5. So you make our indicator more visible. Our indicator you make more visible. So now I'm done for set our strategy. Let's backtest the strategy. Let's look how it's performed. So you see, the first rule you're supposed to follow this indicator. You wait the market cross our moving average. The market is supposed to be below our moving average. You not take a trade. You wait the signal, it tell you go short, and after that, if you get the signal go short, and then you check that indicator, if is agree all the indicator is telling you the same thing, you go short immediate. And even this signal, you wait the market breaking above on the indicator, and then you is not enough, you waiting the long signal, and then you go back, you check there, or the cloud is below, it is above on this white line, and then you go long immediate. You look, you make the lot of profit, you make the profit, all the signal you got, you get the lot of profit. It's very few to get the false signal. It's very lower to get the false signal. So this indicator, it's profitable. And then let me check this indicator on the forex. As I told you, this indicator is working on the different markets. Let's check euro USD. This video I'm making on the weekend day. That time the market it's closed. You see, you're not getting any sell signal. My internet is very slow. Let me doing this to become you to ease. You see, you get the long position and then you go long. You make the lot of profits. You make the lot.